So the future tense is about things that are going to happen or not yet happened. This is the future. 2021, 2022, tomorrow, next week, next year. They are formed with the auxiliary verb, mainly going to. So look, subject, be, going to, verb, and the rest of the sentence. So he is going to talk to her. So what does that mean? We have the subject, so we're talking about someone, in this case he, and the be verb, which is relative to the subject itself. So he is, they are, she is, it is, he is going to, verb, and the rest of the sentence. He is going to walk up the mountain. He is going to talk to her. She is going to talk to him. I am going to write my book. We, you and I, are going to have a lesson. So we use this going to make a fundamental future tense sentence and sharing our thoughts about the future, followed by a verb. So he is going to something else. He is going to talk to you. You are, be, is, are, you are going to listen to me.